how to make mutton curry. Apart from my training programs of leadership transformation and team building initiatives and workplace happiness coaching initiatives, and I also use cooking as a tool in my training programs. Today I'm going to give you some tips to make mutton curry. And first of all, the ingredients I would like to show you. This is the mutton, and today I'm making 2 kgs of mutton. So the ingredients for 2 kgs are these. I'm going to explain that to you, and you can proportionally divide that according to the quantity of mutton that you are making. And this is red chilies, and I have taken around 12 red chilies, and to get the color we have the Kashmir chilies, and we have black pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and a small piece of cinnamon, and a few cardamom, cloves, and star anise. And this is called, in Tamil they call this as kadal pasi, and this is a small spice that you can find out. And this is coriander, and you can take 3 tablespoons of coriander, and this is fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons, and 2 teaspoons of jeera, and 1 teaspoon of we call this as poppy seeds. In some countries this is banned, so if you are able to use it, you can use it. And grated coconut, and you can take 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. This is very optional, all right. And the bay leaves, and we are not going to we'll be using this while preparing the mutton, and we will be frying these ingredients and make it as a fine paste, and that I will show you as the next step. And other ingredients are like the large onions and the smaller onions. You can maybe 10 to 15 small onions and 2 large onions sliced into pieces, and few green chilies, and curry leaves, and then tomatoes. These are the ingredients, and I use gingerly oil. Gingerly oil gives a good aroma for the mutton curry, and ginger garlic paste. These are the ingredients for the mutton curry. I will take you through the next step in a while. Now fry the masalas for 5 minutes and blend it nicely, and start the cooking of the mutton. Bay leaves, green chilies, onions, ginger garlic paste. Fry them for 5 minutes, and then add the tomatoes and fry them for 10 minutes. Add salt and turmeric to it. Now add the mutton, mix it well and cover it and boil it for 10 minutes. Then add the blended masalas to it and mix it well, and again leave it, stir it, and cook it for another 10 minutes in slow fire. Then pressure cook it for 25 minutes on low flame, and now the mutton is ready. Garnish it with coriander, and mutton curry is ready. And looking forward to see you soon with another recipe. This is Justin Babu, your workplace happiness coach, signing off. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.